We have here karage. This is so yummy.
This is only for Batsam. Mm.
Oh, is it yummy?
Mm.
Right? Wow. This one, I'll put lemon there.
Mm-hmm.
Konbanwa minasan! So for today, we have here karage. This is so yummy.
This is only for Batsam. Katmimisan. Food.
Karage.
Karage made of what meat?
Chicken.
Chicken meat.
Chicken
yes,
meat.
chicken
So,
meat.
We also have rice and soup for today. This is the soup.
Soup. What soup is
Yes.
that?
It has, this one is miso soup.
Miso soup.
Miso soup with tofu and spring onion. I'm going to put this one. It's a seasoning, rice seasoning.
Rice
So I will
seasoning.
try. I'm so excited to eat.
Itadakimasu!
Let's go!
Yes! Okay.
I want this small one. Oh, wait. I forgot.
You put
I forgot this
some
one. Mayo.
mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise here. There. Wow. Can you see, guys? Ooh.
Mine is big.
Yummy.
I want big.
Big.
Yes.
Ay. Okay.
Mm.
Oh, is it yummy?
Mm.
How's my
Mm.
cooking?
So, crispy.
Crispy.
Do you call this karage? Fried chicken
Yes.
called karage.
Karage. And I have tomato here. Mm.
Mm.
So yummy. Okay.
Sarap.
This one?
We have lots of food. Thank you so much to Mr. Ouchi, Yasuhiro Ouchi.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
This is yummy.
Yummy?
I like cabbage like this. Shredded. It's like shredded cabbage.
Yeah. Wow. So healthy meal. Right? Wow. Actually, even this is just the meal with no rice, it's okay. Right? And here is the soup. Miso soup. Guys, the soup.
Your electric fan is so noisy.
I'm sorry about that. I want to sip this one. Oh. Last time Batam tried this, but you've had an allergy, right?
Just a little bit.
That presentation. So we can add lemon if we want. So
Wait.
I will put mine.
What about the ramen in miso?
Yes, we can have that soon. This one, I'll put lemon there. I want to hold it. I just want to hold it.
Mm.
Mm. It's good. It's yummy.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Sarap.
Sarap. Mm-hmm. Thank you for the meal. Mm.
If you are eating less carb, you can just eat this and this.
Yes.
Of course, the vegetables.
Mm. Mm. Wow.
Mm.
Such a yummy flavored
Yeah.
karage. Wow.
Mm.
There.
Mm-hmm.
I will just hold it.
Mm. What is that? The chicken has no bones.
Yes. Because it's the one should be used.
Mm.
Mm.
Lean meat.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm. Ang sarap. It's so good, guys. So crispy.
Mm. I shouldn't afraid to take a big bite.
Mm.
At first, I thought there's a bone.
No bones.
Ah, no bone. It's pure meat.
Yes. And it's the best part of chicken, the thigh, to use
The
in
thigh.
karage. Mm.
Is the thigh
The thigh
or the
or
breast?
the legs,
Ah, legs.
maybe. Mm.
It's the thigh. Okay.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm.
Ang sarap.
Mm-hmm.
Why? The soup is so hot.
Mm.
Wow. Perfect meal. I want this one, and I will put again lemon. Because it's so good. See? Mm.
Mm.
So crispy, right?
Mm-mm. Want to put some lemon too?
Yes, please. Mm. With the lemon, it has a different taste. Mm.
Mm. Suboy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
And then the rice. Mm. We want to buy a bowl, Japanese bowl, so we can use when eating, right?
But there's no ceramic bowl. It's
We
only
don't
plastic.
know. We don't know where to buy.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
The chicken. Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
Mm. I'm like Goku. Eating very fast.
Just for Katmimi-san. See? That one. Mmm. It's perfect. Wow. That's the seasoning. Ay. Yeah, that's the seasoning. Well, start right. It will add flavor on the rice.
Yeah.
You want more rice?
No, I'll
No?
just get tissue.
Tissue? Okay. Because Batam is not fun eating vegetable, right? Batam-san.
It depends on the vegetable. Yeah.
Just kidding.
I'm sorry. I just want to...
So this is the chance for you and grab it.
It depends on the vegetable. If it's like ampalaya, the bitter melon, just only few bites of bitter melon. I don't like okra. I don't eat okra.
What the? So yummy. Ooh. I'll just... Oh. Sarap, diba? So messy but yummy.
Karage.
We cannot find what's your favorite? Like a dumpling, remember?
Gyoza.
Gyoza. We cannot find any more gyoza in the Philippines.
Why? No?
I don't know. We didn't eat lunch today. And now we're eating our dinner. That's true, right? It's not a lie. We did not eat our lunch today. Just dinner time. So, good.
It's the best. Okay. You didn't cook my duck, huh?
This one is your duck.
This is not the duck, huh?
Yeah.
Very crunchy.
Yeah, super crunchy. What's this one?
Today I first finished.
Oh my god, what happened?
I will eat the remaining tomorrow morning with okonomiyaki.
I'll eat this one left, okay?
Kanpai!
Kanpai! Kanpai!
Pin.
So good.
I like the cabbage too. And the mayonnaise is something like
No more.
You can put that mayonnaise in vegetable salad. Can be a dressing.
Yes.
Ah. Oo nga, ito vegetable na nga ito.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ay.
Gochiso samadashita!
Arigato, everyone. Thank you for the wonderful meal. And once again, domo arigato to Mr. Ouchi for this food. Bye.
Love, peace. Mwah. Matane. See you guys. See you.
Arigato gozaimashita.